What's up, my people? My name is Opusopogasi. Welcome to the first edition of PG Sports. For here, we will give you the sports for PG inside. We will bring some small tree. This is what I say. Make no forget to go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Opusopogasi. OPU then give space. Then spell Opogasi, OPOGACY. This be PG Sports. For here in the news, we come for PG inside. You see, say the English, then the tree sports, need out too much. So if you do something, give your boys and girls. That's why I bring this PG Sports. Matters day for talk. We see say the EPL they come back, but EPL they come. Now people figure say football will fit come back. So of corona, but now football is back. Every league they come. So weekend too, the Italian Serie A too they come. So now football is fully back. Charlie Matters day, matches they go on. So a day here no long talk. We no go talk chow. Make we go straight to the fixtures. Matches where they play them today, the matches they will play them tomorrow. Then some transfer news. Once again, this is your boy Opogasi, and this be PG Sports. Make we go straight to La Liga. Getafe go sit down host them call Espanyol. It be so to Villarreal to go invite Mallorca. Barcelona to go they Camp Nou, they invite Leganes. Tomorrow Osasuna to go call Atletico Madrid. From La Liga, make we go straight to the Bundesliga. Borussia Mönchengladbach to go host Wolfsburg. It be so Freiburg to go call Hertha Berlin. Werder Bremen 2 versus Bayern Munich. Tomorrow Frankfurt versus Schalke. Bayern Leverkusen versus Cologne. Dortmund to go call Mainz 5. It be so Leipzig 2 versus Düsseldorf. Tomorrow EPL is finally back. Aston Villa versus Sheffield United. Manchester City for Etihad versus Arsenal. This match there, and also boys them I go day top, and especially Liverpool fans. If Arsenal win there, I be know that a pie crack. Make we go straight to some transfer news. Real Madrid they took 71 million pounds. They say they find Chelsea them midfielder and N'Golo Kante. Zidane say no for no there. Some shaking be there. So next season you won't win more things give Madrid. Then if you N'Golo Kante, wait if you go carry come Real Madrid, make we see Chelsea go take this man. You see say coronavirus come. The worry champ teams. The matches that they play now, the supporters that they come. So Juventus say they won't save money. They won't save money at the end. They will let Ramsey go. If Ramsey go, they will feel save enough money. Manchester United to make ready say if Juventus let Ramsey go at the end, then they will go carry Ramsey, make he can't play, give them. You know, say the Champions League final like this year and for playing for Istanbul, but so of the coronavirus and things no. Report where they come say maybe we go play for Lisbon, that be Portugal. EPL they come back tomorrow. You know, say the players they write them a name for back, like Van Dijk, they go write a name for back, Bruno Fernandes, Pogba, them, I go there and they write everybody name for back. They might just say back, you see. But the players say the first match is like everybody, Arsenal, then City like this. If you watch it, they don't go write Aguero name for him back, or maybe Aubameyang name for him back. They go write Black Lives Matters so that they support that team, like the racism team. See, they what happy for America where the police kill the black man. They want support say like racism no good. So it be Black Lives Matters. So you go see for the players them are back. Juventus make ready say next summer they will go carry Chelsea them are 2 players. Which players are they talk? It be Jorginho and Marcos Alonso, so that they will come play give Juventus. From them make we move to Tottenham account. You know, say recently we Paris Saint-Germain them president can talk say if the season end, Thiago Silva then come and they leave, so them a contract end. But you know, say in defense they no good. It come to Tottenham, they just score them, and they ball and they score them. So if they find defender way get experience, defender way go feel hold in defense give our. There be Thiago Silva. So we no make ready say next season we will bring Thiago Silva make it can play give Tottenham. Arsenal too can put for down see they find better midfielder will go free hold them. So if they watch the Champions League game between Atletico Madrid and Liverpool, they will partake play ball, they join their power. So Arsenal make ready see next season they will go carry partake and Arsenal. They will give them triple. You see them pay where they talk for Atletico Madrid, they go times some 3 give them so partake for camp where he can play give Arsenal the Gunners. Casillas, former Real Madrid and Spain goalkeeper. Casillas now be the guy the cash. Even World Cup, Champions League, Euros, Charlie, he be legend for football inside. Now he wants stand for the presidency for the Spain Football Federation. Like they call them our own Royal Spanish Football Federation. Like the way Ghana won't be GFE, so get to local levels. Like hey, is that thing Casillas want to. But now on the report we gather today, we say Casillas say no go do again, no go do the president again. So he pull himself. He be not talk say he won't be the president of the Royal Spanish Football Federation. But now he no go do again. You know, say people they talk. This is in Lewandowski they deserve the Ballon d'Or. The guy in form he did, Charlie, he be serious. The Golden Boot, he being the lead, the Champions League, the Bundesliga, Charlie. So people they talk say they deserve. So what Ronaldo the Messi they do, the goals they score over 40 goals in a season. No way this is the opener to do, Lewandowski to do. So they forgive him the word best. Even Lewandowski can't talk. Say India, the Ballon d'Or, the FIFA best there, that no be in focus. He just the playing ball, but football here, everything is possible. If the Ballon d'Or, the FIFA best come your way, there, you go take him. You the playing ball, so Ballon d'Or no be in focus. In focus, be say you go play give in team so that the team go win. So in best there is yet to come. So people know for nothing say this season being last self where you go die. India a day on form. So next season self you go do better than this. Portugal the legend, they call her Nimo Gomez. You say if you watch Bernardo Silva, you see Bernardo Silva for Monaco, then Bernardo Silva for Man City, be two different things. The player 9 level they high. So India, you know say it be Guardiola there, you know get size. If you are seeing Guardiola be possible. So he said Guardiola transform the guy. So Guardiola the champion coach make you go Real Madrid the camp again. Who they talk for there? It be Luka Modric. Modric saying Mbappe get talent you see Mbappe for World Cup. Mbappe don't know where they score where they take the World Cup for him. So if Mbappe won't win the Ballon d'Or, he won't make a dream come through there. If you one team before camp, it will be Real Madrid. So for leave PSG and come Real Madrid, if you come Real Madrid there, Real Madrid they win you for your players more there. On bet champions in there and there. So it will win the Ballon d'Or. So Mbappe for make one and come Real Madrid. Charlie, talk of time today. If you hear where we go end the show. Once again, my name be Opus Opogasi. This be PG Sports. Make you no forget say you go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Opus Opogasi, OPUZ, then give space OPOGACY, Opogasi. If you watch finish to me, if you not do selfish, if you send give your boys, make them to the WhatsApp. Bye bye.